How to open a fixed term deposit CD with Concentra. Welcome to this quick tutorial on opening a fixed term deposit, also known as a certificate of deposit with Concentra. First, you have to log into your Concentra online banking using your username and password. If you don't have an online banking set up, you'll need to register or contact Concentra support as it's saying over here. Now you could just go ahead and tap on the link to simply log into your account. Now, once you are on their official page and once you're logged in, you can go to the account or the investment section on the main menu. From there, you can select open a new account or choose a fixed term deposit CD from the list of available products. So from here, you could just go ahead and accept these cookies. Now, after doing so, all you have to do is deposit amount you'd like to invest. You'll see different terms options such as 1 years, 2 years, or even 5 years. Review the interest rate for each term and select one that fits your saving plans. And after that, you can enter the deposit amount you would like to invest and then make sure that you meet the Concentra's minimum deposit requirement, which may vary depending on the CD term. Now you can choose the funding source for your deposit, and then this could be your Concentra's checking or saving accounts, or by transferring funds from another financial institution. Then you can just review the terms and conditions, including the fact that the funds are locked in until maturity, meaning you cannot withdraw early without penalty. If everything looks good, you can click on confirm and submit. Finally, you'll receive a confirmation page with details of your new fixed deposit terms. You can also download a print copy for your rewards as well. If you are having trouble, you can always contact customer service for Concentra. And that's it. You've successfully opened a fixed term deposit with Concentra. If this tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.